Welcome to another episode of Living in Tahoe. It's Tahoe Tony, and I'm super excited today to show you a great house at 415 Gonowabie in Crystal Bay on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. Beautiful panoramic lake views. Hopefully you can see that beautiful Chris-Craft boat going behind me. It's gorgeous. I'm really excited about this house because it is a really good price for a panoramic Lakeview house. This house was built in 1959, so it's not very large. It's 2108 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and has a 3-car garage. So getting all of that tight little package with the panoramic lake view is a great situation. That's why I'm excited to show you this house today. So Gonowabie is a great street in Crystal Bay, Nevada. Interesting thing about Crystal Bay is it's tied to Incline Village. So Incline Village is the town right next door. The other town the other way is California. So a good little town. You're on the Nevada side, you get all the Nevada tax advantages, and you get to use most of the Incline Village amenities because you're part of IVGIT, Incline Village General Improvement District. So you get access to the 2 golf courses, you get discounts on the golf courses, discounts on Diamond Peak Ski Resort, which you can see right behind me as well, discounts to the tennis, the recreation center. The only thing you don't get by being a Crystal Bay resident versus Incline Village is you don't get access to Incline Village's nice beaches. So those are for residents and their guests only. But if you live here, you probably have friends in Incline will take you to the beaches, so it's not a big deal. But I do want to make that clear. You don't get access to the Incline Village beaches by being a Crystal Bay resident, okay? Beautiful town. I lived in Crystal Bay for many years. I love it. It's a small little town. It was built prior to Incline Village, so you get some older homes. Like this one was built in 1959, but they did such a great job of remodeling it, you wouldn't think that when you're in there. So let's go check this house out. It's awesome. As you see, they even have a glass door here. I'm going to show you why. So you come into the living room. This beautiful little living room here. Super comfortable. I've got the River Rock fireplace. They sandblasted all the wood so you can see the beautiful grains on the wood and everything. It's really nicely done, very comfortable, and you've got these beautiful windows, so no matter where you are in the living room, you've got this panoramic lake view. It's spectacular. So great amount of awesome stuff in a small space. I love it. So just off the living room, they have a dining room area with this picture perfect lake view. It's great. I can see Diamond Peak Ski Resort, Incline Village beaches. I see a boat going across there. It's lovely, incredible. And then you come right in the kitchen, and they did a good job. So the house is only a little over 2,100 square feet, but they've got a really good sized kitchen, which to me is important because you're gonna spend most of your time in your kitchen, in your master bedroom, and in this house on the deck. You'll see why. So beautiful cabinetry, the sink, got a window on the sink, you know, Tony likes that. We've got 2 ovens here, gorgeous. Got a little pantry here so you could stock up, and check this out. They've got a wine closet. They've got the wine cooler in the wine closet. So you know these people are some pretty cool people, right? And then they have this area here. So if you wanted to make drinks or whatever, you've got your own little area for making drinks, entertaining your friends. And then on those days when you do have to work, there is a desk here, and then you've got a great lake view out there. So if you do have to get some work done or correspond with your friends or tell them, hey, come up, we're having such a great time, this is a great little spot to do it. And then conveniently, they have a little half bath here. So if you're on this floor, you can use that bathroom. Next, we're gonna go downstairs and show you this awesome master suite. The whole entire floor of the house is a master bedroom. You'll love it. So welcome to the most awesome master suite. This is great. They've got a cute little fireplace here if you want to be romantic. And they've got the bed situated looking right out the window. So if you're laying in bed, the first thing you're going to see when you wake up is Lake Tahoe, which is spectacular. When we had our house in Incline Village, it was set up so you wake up to the lake right there. It was such a peaceful way to start your day. I love it. So great. If you buy this house, you're going to be able to wake up staring at Lake Tahoe. Nothing could be better. So again, they've got a wall of windows here, very smartly done. And then this is another thing I like about this house. They didn't skimp on this either. So they've got a little bar and refrigerator here, So if you wake up in the middle of the night or you don't feel like going upstairs to get a drink or whatever, you've got access to everything right here, which I really like because there's a beautiful shady deck out here with panoramic lake views as well. So if you want to hang out there in the shade instead of being upstairs in the sun, you've got that option, and you can entertain people from here as well. And then, magnificently, we walk into this beautiful spa-type bathroom for a 2,100 square foot house. This is magnificent. They've got everything here. It's awesome. Like this beautiful jetted tub. They've got a full shower. They've got 2 sinks. So you've got plenty of room if 2 people trying to get ready at the same time to go to the gala event. And then they've got this great little island and storage center in here. And then more storage over here. They've got your bath, which your toilet, which you can close off, so you're not ruining the room for everybody. And then probably one of the coolest laundry rooms in all of Tahoe. We've got a beautiful Lakeview laundry room right in here where you're spending all your time, right? All your towels and clothes are gonna be right here. So perfect, I love it. They did a great job with this. So next we're gonna go all the way to the top of the house. We've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and you're gonna love that too. So now we're on the top story, and again, beautiful lake views from the top story as well. We've got a really good sized bedroom here. Big enough that they've got 2 beds and there's still plenty of room to mess around. So if you didn't need an extra bedroom, you can make this a game room. It's big enough to do that, but I like it. You've got plenty of room. If you've got adults with kids, all gonna work out. Or like my friends, you've got adults with a big dog, everything works out. And then upstairs, servicing these 2 bedrooms, we've got a full-size bath with incredible lake views and a shower. It's great. So this is the 3rd bedroom. Again, it's upstairs, big enough for 2 beds. It's smaller than the other one, but still very good size. And this one is really nice because it has access outside. So if someone does need to be going and coming without waking everybody else up in the house, they can do that. Or if they have a dog and they need to let them out to go to the bathroom, this is great, great idea. I love it. So here's a great little map of Lake Tahoe. So this is the Nevada side, this is the California side. So we are right here on Crystal Bay. As you can see, it's right on the line. So you're right on the edge of Crystal Bay. Actually, Cal Neva, which is a casino, part of it's in California, part of it's in Nevada, is right there on that point. So Incline Village, and then most of this is all state-owned lands. Then you get to Glenbrook and Zephyr Cove and State Line. So great little map that's showing you Lake Tahoe, Nevada. So I had to sit down out here because I was trying to figure out with this house if I like the master bedroom better or being out here on the deck. And I've come to the realization being out here on the deck is hands down the best place to be. I'm staring right at an eagle's nest. There's an eagle's nest right in that tree there, which is fantastic. I have a great affection for eagles. I did a report on them in 6th grade. So my favorite football team was the Philadelphia Eagles. So being able to see an eagle's nest from your deck means a lot to me. Fabulous deck, again, Diamond Peak, Incline beaches, beautiful lake views. You've got a little fire pit out here, so you can hang out here at night with your friends and just relax. And the deck is big enough, they've even got a dining table out there. So that's probably where I would be eating most of the time when it's warm enough, right? So wintertime, you wouldn't want to be out there, but fabulous addition to this great house. I love it. So here's the other half of the deck, the dining room table area, which I would be spending most of my time at. And let me tell you a little bit about Gonowabie. So Gonowabie is this cool little street in Crystal Bay. There's about 36 homes here, and it's a very tight-knit community. I sold the house across the street. There was just a little house there. They tore it down and built a really nice house. Sold a house next door. My good friend, I sold him his house down there. And the sellers for this house actually just moved down the street onto the lake side. So they love this little town so much that they're still on this street, which just shows you how great a community the Gonowabie community is. So it's a one-way street. It's great. Everybody helps each other out. I remember when I sold this house, there was a lady and her husband had Alzheimer's, so The community was getting together, help her. It's just fabulous community. Panoramic Lakeview for this house. And I haven't even showed you the 3-car garage yet, so let's go check that out. So this garage is massive. You can easily put, well, you could put 3 cars in here because you'd have to come around to get this one. So I shouldn't say easily, but you can get 3 cars in here. So if you have 2 cars you're using, you could put one over here, you're not using too much, or whatever. The choice is yours. Anyway, having space for 3 cars on Gonowabie is incredible because the lots here are kind of small. This lot is only 0.15 of an acre. But the good news of that is your taxes are only $5,778 a year, which is pretty amazing. And they're not going to go up when the house sells because the lot is so small, you don't have a ton of taxes to pay. So great advantage of that. But nice big garage. We've got all this workspace here, so you can set up your wax bench for your skis or any other thing. And they've got some great landscaping out there. So probably using this as well, but great garage. They've also got a charging station there for your EVs, and great addition to a fantastic house. I love it. So they got beautiful landscaping out here as well. It's nice and terraced. They got the cute little patio there. It's fantastic. However, I do want to point out there are stairs going up. So if you have somebody who's not mobile, this probably isn't the house for you. But if you want to stay young, have a panoramic Lakeview house for under $5 million that's completely refurbished, this is the house for you. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video of 415 Gonowabie and you're interested in living in Tahoe. This is awesome. The weather is so incredible right now. Today's the first day of fall and it's 72 degrees. It's perfect. We had rain last week, so the trails, there's no dust on the trails. The lake is still beautiful. It's such a great time to be in Tahoe. So if you're interested in living in Tahoe, reach out to me. I'm the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, and I love helping people. So if you're interested, send me a text, shoot me an email, or give me a phone call, and I guarantee this will be the best real estate experience you ever had because I love living in Tahoe and I know you're gonna love it as well. I didn't even mention the taxes, right? So you don't pay state income tax in Nevada, so you can save a lot of money by living here as well. So you get all the great lifestyle and you get to save money. You're gonna love it. So reach out to me. I guarantee it'll be the best experience you've ever had.